Nasaksihan nga ng buong mundo ang opening ceremony ng Olympic Games sa Paris kamakailan lang, with all the imageries and symbolisms na talaga namang pinag-usapan. Of course, the flaming torch has always been the top act, symbolizing freedom, unity, and resilience. At habang ipinapasa yung torch from one athlete to another, it gives us a symbol of continuity between the ancient games in Rome and the modern ones, significantly bridging the gap between the old and the new. Today's gospel gives us the same vibe as that of the Olympic event, with John the Baptist as an important figure in the story, similar to the iconic symbol of torch burning brightly, connecting the old and the new, at napaka-controversial din naman because of his fearless and uncompromising insights. He was being referred to as the burning and shining lamp, as the forerunner of Christ, nag-aalab at nagliliwanag na lampara. But what did John the Baptist do to be called as such? Bakit ba siya natawag na nag-aalab at nagliliwanag na lampara? John is a voice. Siya ay ang tinig na nagmumula sa ilang upang i-announce ang coming of the Messiah. So all his actions were a testimony of a greater things to happen, a prelude to the coming of the Anointed One. He prepared the people for the arrival of the Messiah. Nagbinyag siya and he urged them to repent. Maging ang kanyang lifestyle at ang kanyang mga gawi at kilos ay talaga namang consistent to his role as the precursor of Christ. He directed everyone's attention not to himself, but to the one coming who is greater than him. As we begin today the Simbang Gabi, tingnan natin ang ating sarili at tingnan din natin ang buhay ni John the Baptist. And then, tanungin natin ang ating sarili, how can we be a burning and shining lamp to others? Paano ba tayo magiging liwanag para sa iba as we wait for the coming of the Messiah? We know that there will only be one John the Baptist in history. Pero, maaari din naman tayo maging light bearers in our own little way and through the ordinariness of our daily lives.
Joy to the world.